आचार्य राजकुमार जी, आचार्य आर के सिंगला जी, डॉक्टर परमेंद्र सिंह जी, निर्देशक क्रीड़ा संबंधित विषयों में, मौलाना अब्दुल कलाम आज़ाद ट्रॉफी लगातार दूसरे वर्ष जीतकर आप लोगों ने अपना शक्ति, सामर्थ्य और कौशल को दोबारा आपने प्रदर्शित किया है। विश्वविद्यालय के छात्रों, शिक्षकों, कोच जो शिक्षण देने वाले, स्टाफ तथा प्रबंधकों को और विश्वविद्यालय का उपकुलपति और अन्य लोग जो विश्वविद्यालय से संबंधित है, वो सभी को मैं अभिनंदन देना चाहता हूँ और आप सबके लिए बहुत बधाई। और भावी सफलताओं के लिए भी मैं आप लोगों को शुभकामना देना चाहता हूँ। विश्वविद्यालय के कुलाधिपति के रूप में विश्वविद्यालय का हर उपलब्धि और सफलता से जुड़ा हुआ महसूस करता हूँ। I felt very happy when I came to know that our university got 4th rank in Times Higher Education ranking. I hope in the future you will reach further heights. And as was explained by the Vice Chancellor just now about the Atal Tinkering, 2nd rank also, we must always strive for excellence. That should be the aim. Excellence in sporting is not an easy thing to come by. It takes hours and hours of relentless hard work and precision planning coupled with sheer determination to overcome the obstacles. You not only need a strong body, but also a strong mind and an ironclad willpower to become an exceptional sports person. I am glad Punjab University has succeeded in molding several exceptional talents in the field of sports. My dear young students, sportsmen, women, sports and games form a crucial part of our lives. They improve our physical fitness, improve our cognitive abilities, and in the case of team games, enhance our social skills. Participating in games and various sports will improve the concentration level of an individual, promote the concept of teamwork, and help in developing an attitude of equanimity. This balance is essential to accept failures and setbacks without any sense of bitterness, ill will, or grudge, a quality we call sportsman spirit. It improves the general quality of life. I strongly believe that an exceptional sports person can become an excellent reader too, as sports also inculcate leadership qualities. I am happy that the Punjab University is thus also helping mold the leaders of the future. My dear young friends, I have always stressed the need for schools and national institutions, education institutions at every level, to promote sports and games. Participating in sports will improve physical fitness, which is very important to combat the rising incidence of lifestyle diseases in our country, especially among the youth. Unhealthy lifestyle is leading to problems like obesity, diabetes, and hypertension. About 65% of our population is under 30 years. That's a paramount importance to make our youngsters aware of the dangers of unhealthy diet and sedentary lifestyle. Go back to our roots. Follow the food that was really practiced by our elders, ran from grandmother and grandfather and parents. I feel that we must encourage our youngsters to be physically active, and sports and games can help to stay fit and healthy. Sporting culture needs to be revived and nurtured right from school age. Games and sports or yoga or any physical activity should become integral to people's daily routine. It is not only keep one healthy but also keeps the mind free from stress and provides relaxation to the mind and body. Staying fit and staying healthy will have a bearing on the well-being of a person, family, society, country at large. I am happy that the Prime Minister Narendra Bhai Modi's initiative Fit India campaign encourages people to stay fit and healthy. Half of the time in classroom, remaining time in the field, be it agriculture field or sports field or social welfare, you must spend enough time in these activities also. I was just hearing the speech of the Honorable Prime Minister about the school education, where he was stressing on this point. Spend enough time outside also. Do not concentrate and sit only in the classroom. You must be able to spend time in the arena of sports so that you get strength. In the last few years, we have made a steady progress as a country in the field of sports and showcased its prowess many global platforms. But we have the capacity and caliber. If you all focus and strengthen your resolve to improve further. India has been a home to sporting legends like Major Dhyan Chand, Milkha Singh, Sachin Tendulkar, P.V. Sindhu, Mary Kom, Pulil Gopichand, M.S. Dhoni, Sania Mirza, and Hima Das, and many. The stories of these outstanding sports persons must inspire and every one of you to reach for the stars. It is crucial that we identify sporting talent from a young age from different parts of the country and encourage and support them by giving them top-notch infrastructure and training of the highest level. For this, we must have effective and comprehensive talent monitoring and scouting systems in place so that the talent in children may be picked up and nurtured from a very young age. There is also an imminent need to upgrade sporting infrastructure in our country, from sports hostels to stadia, especially in the rural areas. Government of India, various state governments, the local bodies, and also the private NGOs, they must all work in this direction. It is also necessary to build a large pool of homegrown, highly skilled Indian coaches. Coaches play an important role. More colleges and universities must offer degrees and diplomas in sports management so that we succeed in building a better professional framework for sports management in the nation. We must strive to build a pool of highly skilled sports medicine experts and practitioners to improve the performance of our sports persons in events. We must also recognize areas of sporting in which we have competitive advantages and invest more resources in those areas. I appreciate and compliment the Government of India for launching Khelo India campaign a few years back to improve sporting in India. We must also always remember that our sports persons are our national pride. It is therefore crucial to provide alternate, fulfilling career opportunities for them even after they retire from active sporting. This will help attract many more young people to sports and games. I am confident if we work diligently, India will go on to win many more accolades in international sporting events, from Commonwealth Games to Olympics. We have no dearth of talent in this country. What is needed is stronger support system, identification at early age, and coaching them, encouraging them. I am extremely confident that many of you listening to me today will one day become national and international champions and Olympians and make the nation proud. Once again, let me congratulate my youngsters, each and every one of you, on this tremendous accomplishment. May many more such awards and accolades reach you in the time to come. Thank you very much. Wish you all bright future. God bless you. Jai Hind. मैं आप लोगों को एक सुझाव देना चाहता हूँ. ये ट्रॉफी का नाम मौलाना अब्दुल कलाम आज़ाद ट्रॉफी है. इसको माँ का ट्रॉफी करना उचित नहीं है. ये अंग्रेज़ों के कारण से हमारा सबका दिमाग में ऐसा बैठ गया और एक आदत बन गया. धीरे धीरे हम सब लोग ये शॉर्ट वर्ड्स यूज़ कर रहे हैं. ये अच्छा नहीं है. इतना महान भाव अब्दुल कलाम आज़ाद, उसको माँ का कहना, ये आप लोगों का गलती नहीं, एक परंपरा बन गया होगा, मगर आगे ऐसा मत करिए. ये मेरा सुझाव है. और दूसरा, ये देश में भी ऐसा आदत बन गया, रोड का नाम भी ऐसे ही लगाते. महात्मा गांधी रोड को MG रोड, सरदार पटेल रोड को SP रोड. ऐसी महान भावों का कम से कम आने वाले पीढ़ी को पूरा नाम मालूम होना चाहिए. बाद में इतिहास और इनका योगदान मालूम हो जाएगा. तो ये छोटा सा विषय ऐसा मत लीजिए, एक बहुत गंभीर विषय है. मैं बहुत इन विषयों में बहुत रुचि लेता हूँ और मैं समाज को और देशवासियों को भी बताना चाहता हूँ. नाम जो दिया है, पूरा नाम रखना, पूरा नाम बताना, पूरा नाम लिखना, ये बहुत ज़रूरी है. बस कार्यक्रम समाप्त करें.